About 10% of population will suffer from plantar fasciitis at some point during their lifetime. And almost all of us are going to experience foot pain in some or other form. In this video, we are going to cover a 4-step solution which will cure heel pain at home in a very short time. Let's get started. Plantar fasciitis is generally identified as burning, stabbing and uncomfortable pain in bottom of the feet. It is usually near the heel area. The pain is generally worse in the morning when you take your first steps, run or jog. So what is a plantar fascia? Plantar fascia is a thick web-like tissue that connects heel bone to the toes. It acts as a shock absorber and supports the arch of your foot, helping you walk. Heel pain happens due to inflammation or degeneration of this plantar fascia. There are a number of causes of plantar fasciitis, which includes being overweight, having tight calves and flat foot, and a sedentary lifestyle. So when an inactive person suddenly starts to run or jump, this gives overstretching and damage to the plantar fascia, which later results in inflammation and pain in the foot. First, we are going to look at a simple exercise which you can do to strengthen the muscles at bottom of your foot. For this exercise, put your foot on a towel or bedsheet and try to pull it as shown by curling your all 5 toes. This will make the foot intrinsic muscle stronger, which will then provide additional support to the fascia. Next, we are going to look at some simple ankle and foot stretches which will make the fascia flexible and help you relieve the pain. With your hand, pull all your toes down and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. This will stretch the muscle near the shin area and top of ankle. Do this for 10 times. Next stretch you can do is by gently pulling all the toes up as shown. If pulling the toes up aggravates the pain, you should skip it. Problems in the bottom of the feet can also arise due to stiffness in calves and hamstring muscle. Let's go through their stretches one by one. Calf stretch. Keep your leg muscle loose and put a towel or belt over the forefoot. Keeping your knee straight, gently pull it close to you. Second and a better way to stretch calf is by keeping one leg back and then shifting the body weight forward as shown. Note here that when you are stretching your right leg, keep your right leg back and toes pointing straight with heel down. These are some of the stretches you can do for your hamstring muscle. Icing. This is probably the most important step you can take to relieve the pain. For this, freeze a water bottle and roll it below your foot. This works especially good just after you have completed stretches or workout. You can do it 2 to 3 times in a day for 10 to 15 minutes. Icing can help numb pain signals and calm the inflammation in the injured foot. There are 2 ways you can massage across the fascia. First, cross and then parallel towards toe. You can make circles with your thumb and you will soon start feeling good. You can also roll a tennis or a golf ball below your foot. You can do these stretches and exercise before you get out of your bed in the morning. Avoid the stretches which hurt your foot. Treat your pain as early as possible because if you let it get worse, then the recovery will take much longer. You can also try this foot strengthening workout. Link you can find in the description below. If your pain is persistent, even after trying this, you should see a foot and ankle specialist to make sure there is not another problem. Share this video if you found it useful and you may consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated. The population will suffer from plantar fasciitis. More pressure on the population will suffer from